lager, Kalis, whichever will it be. Sit down, steak, I'm here to spill the real tea. You tryna down, thrown me from spot on number one, but you steak. You think you have won, but when I'm through with you, we're gonna be completely cool, cause we only just begun. I review you, 0. Hi, steak gone, so come on, steak, looking hungry for some drama here. Let me serve you steak lasagna, steak lasagna. Steak lasagna, steak ain't nothing but a steak lasagna, steak lasagna. Steak lasagna, look at steak, he's just crying for free craft. Steak lasagna. Steak lasagna, steak ain't nothing but a steak lasagna, steak lasagna. Steak lasagna, steak just wet in front of Cree Craft. So who the hell is Cree and why you wanna kiss him? I'm a blue-eyed white dragon while you're just dark magician. Ooh, you got a fifth of the population in your nation, but I steak of Cree Craft, so hold your defecation thoughts. UWU. What the is that even supposed to mean? Your steak sounds like it came from a mumble steak community. No papa, no papa, yes papa. Johnny, now down all of this sugar and let's throw this steakhouse party with some steak lasagna. Steak lasagna, look at steak, he's just crying for free craft. Steak lasagna. Steak lasagna, steak ain't nothing but a steak lasagna, steak lasagna. Steak lasagna, look at steak, he's just wet in front of Cree Craft. Steak lasagna. Steak lasagna, steak ain't nothing but a steak lasagna. You got a sub count of 50.3k, but most your videos can seem to hit 10k steak sauce.